Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we bring to you what is happening around us, the current events, those things that you cannot see elsewhere, those things that are very, very, very important for you to see. In this video, I just want us to see what our current president, Nigerian president, is doing. Sometimes I feel like maybe the Fulanis, especially Buhari, the current president, the kind of voodoo that he used the kind of voodoo that they're using in Nigeria is too strong. That everybody are behaving like a fool. You cannot deny the fact that this man has shown to everyone that he don't care about Nigeria. He don't care about anybody. First of all, he chose to, develop Nigeria Republic than any part of Nigeria, including his own hometown. This time around, he bought a car as a gift to the Niger Republic. He gave this car to their government. Before now, he built a railway from Nigeria to Niger Republic that cost billions of naira. And this railway that he built, there's no way it will profit anybody or a Nigerian economy. Because how many Nigerians are going to Niger? How many business is taking place between Nigeria and the Niger Republic? But he's doing all those things, to validate what people are saying about him that he's from Niger. You know, someone like me don't believe that before until I begin to see what is happening. Everything he's doing is to make sure that Niger Republic, come first. Okay, let me not waste much of your time, but because most of us don't even know what is going on in Nigeria, a lot of things are going on there. So many things are going on. The other time he went to African Union and made a promise that everybody can come to Nigeria for fun. Just go there, you get your visa on arrival. He's doing all those things to create a way, to make a way for people, his people that are moving from one country to country to have their own home, to grab land in Nigeria, to make Nigeria as their own ancestral home. If you can remember before, one of the Fulani politicians made mention, I think he's the governor of Kano, if I'm not mistaken, but he's a politician. He's well known in North. He said that Nigerian belong to Fulanis, that Niger Delta belong to Fulani. So to them, your home, your ancestral home, is their home. That Allah gave it to them. And unfortunately, these are minority group in Nigeria. But all the majority tribe in Nigeria, Igbos and Yorubas, are shying away. They are sleeping. They don't even want to wake up to face the fact. If not IPOB and the Yoruba dictators, the youth, they are the one, reading meaning to all the actions these people are taking to take the land from the people. As you're watching now, you can see the cars. These cars are just, you cannot count it. Just watch these cars and see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can see it. These are a gift from Nigerian government, Nigerian president to the Niger Republic. The same Nigerian government that are borrowing money from China since 2 years ago. The amount of money that Nigeria are owing China is not something that you can ignore. A country whereby the economy is totally down, flat. This is what is going on, guys. How many Nigerians can afford 3 square meal in a day as we are talking now? At this present time, how many families can afford 3 square meal? Or your government, your president is giving, bringing cash gift, land, cars. I think he donated money as well. It is not that Niger Republic are in a war, or Nigerians are better than them. This is a country of its own, sucking and milking the economy of Nigeria, whereby Nigerians has nothing to to feed on. A lot of people are facing different challenges because of poor governance, because of the poor economy of the country. Okay, guys, in another news, we have a very important information to share with you. For some of you that are interested in Nigerian election, I mean the upcoming election in 2023, many Nigerian, especially the southern youth, what I mean by southern youth, I mean the Igbo and the Yorubas and other middle belt, riverline area, people that are not from northern part, people that are not from northern part of Nigeria. Everybody is very much interested in changing the government, changing the Buhari government to Peter Obi, some are for Tinubu and all that. But the problem is that very few people know that Nigerian belongs to a particular people. The problem of Nigeria is not Nigerians. The problem of Nigerian is from colonial systems, from British down to Fulanis and Kabars. Many of southern people don't know that it is not all about casting your vote. It's not all about going to polling center to cast your vote or choosing someone that you think that is gonna do well. Nigerians have templates. Nigerians have manuals. Just like when you buy electronics, they will give you manual on how you can operate the machine, how you can use your electronics, what you have to do, and what you are not allowed to do. So these are the problem of Nigeria.
Get the voters card. Oge m gara exercise in the morning. N'ilu m na anya m ka a nọ na-agbasasị na voters card ndị mmadụ. Ọ voters card ka efichara na ihe. Yeah, voters card ndị mmadụ. All of them from Abuja. All of them Abuja voters card. Christian name, all of them. Yorubas, Igbos, voters card. Yeah. Anaghị m ekwu okwu anyhow. Ite okwu adụ ọdụ m sef. Ifu ka m kwuru okwu mmadụ oligo m n'afọ. N'anya m n'iru m na anya m ka a na-aghasi voters card ndị mmadụ. Ana m agwa gị on that day a ga-asị na onye ga-acheki nke ya asị na afụrọ nke ya. Ekwebe abịa hapụ onye ahụ. Voters card. All of them were Abuja. All of them were Abuja. O nwekwe nke ha ni na gota. Mana mmadụ agalụnwu na-ewebe a. Na voters card ndị mmadụ. Ele ka a na-efie na-aga. Ele ka a na-efie na-aga. Ele ka a na-efie na-aga ogologo. Voters card ndị mmadụ. Look at. Ihe nwa anyị na-eki ule for. Onwe ndị enweta nwụlọ. Ndị nwetara enweta ebe a bịa afọ.
In Abuja, the people in power that are organizing your election for you, they have extract many votes from southern people, the Christians, and look at where they dump it. What we are looking at now is a voters card of many Igbos, Yorubas, riverine areas, and people from Middle Belt and all that. These voters cards belong to them. None of them, bears any Muslim name or people from the north. So as you are in your home, waiting for your PVC to come out so that you can cast your vote, they have published it. So when you go to the system, you see that your name is there. What they will put there is that they have given you the voters card, whereas your voters card is here in the gutter. Your voters card is here. So some of you that have wasted your time, that you are looking for, you want to register for your PVC and all that, want to vote, you want to be obedient, you want to articulate, you want to, jagaban and do all that. Come here and take your PVC. So this is the street of Abuja, a lonely place where no one will expect to receive or see his or her voter's card. Some of you are in your house waiting, believing that you have registered and they will call you, they'll give you a call. So you come and pick up your PVC. Look at your PVC here. I sorry for many of you.
Anyway, guys, I wouldn't want to make this video to be too long. Let me end it here. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.